Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. And in today's video we are reviewing another Nike head tie. This time I wanted to try a different color, so I went for the whites. You know what I'm saying? Samurai white. You get me? Or more like I don't know anyone in Naruto who wears a white headband, so I don't know, man. Maybe some Afro samurai type shit, you feel me? Let's open it. So yeah, it came through this. Oh shit, I hope my address didn't show. If anyone pull up, I'm not even gonna skr with the chopper. Man's gonna pull up the sword, fam. The samurai sword, yeah. Yeah, let's open it. Yeah, so here it is, man. This is the packaging and everything, so no one can say it's fake. You feel me? I want you guys to see the experience. Because it's white, the light is very reflective in that. Orewa Shinda Nike Taikori Konteira Sibayo. I just made up. I don't know what I was actually saying, but yeah. Exo. It's not bad, you know. It's like kind of special in that. I like it. Very bright and everything. I always get rid of the tag though. Not the tag, but you see that thing? I always get rid of it. It actually does look good, you know. See that? I like it. It's very stretchable. Yeah, and it's cool. The only thing I'm worried about is it could get dirty easily. As a matter of fact, yeah, let's see if in this short time it actually got dirty. Did it get dirty? It didn't. So far, so good. Yeah guys, make sure you like, subscribe and share. It was your boy Danansko, the favorite YouTuber, Hokage of all the YouTubers. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So make sure you subscribe to the thing, bro. Yeah, subscribe to the thing, bro. Yeah, but I was trying to get like 1,000 subscribers, man. It's not. I'm not asking for a lot. Subscribe.
I'm from the Brooklyn XKJ. Man, mistake with a pen like JK. True say I ain't